Hey there, thanks for watching this video. George and I wanted to put together another screencast for you, breaking down the particular strategies in each one of the sections that we had mentioned on the last video. And by the end of this video, you should have an accurate understanding as to why pay-per-click is going to be your quickest way from point A to point B. So when it comes to running a pay-per-click campaign, all that you really have to do is set up a highly converting landing page and an ad campaign, and that's it. You're going to get that first page visibility, and you're going to start receiving calls right away. Now, that's hunting for new business, but if you want to farm for business, first you need a Google listing, which requires getting a Google listing verified by Google Corporate, which takes 5 to 7 days alone. Then once you get the listing actually published, at that point the real work begins, which could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months just to start to get results. And what it really takes is a collection of a couple of things that you have to do at once, so it could get very, very overwhelming. For one thing, you have to get geotagged photos uploaded to your Google listing. So not only do your customers see the photos that are loaded, but the search engines see the longitude and latitude showing up as a local result near Miami. Okay, and there's a way that we could do that for you, but again, it's very, very labor intensive and very costly, and it takes a long time. So it's a triple threat and not a trifecta. Then you have to get reviews up, okay? Reviews are the area of Google that's the least likely to be manipulated by us marketers, okay? And the search engines know that. So we have to take our time and do it organically and do it slow. But once we get your reviews up, we also have to do directory work. And we have to do what's called a citation on each directory, which is posting your name, address, and phone number on there so it's accurately cited across all these major high-ranking, high-authority directories. And that's going to do two things. It's going to keep your customers from getting confused on you having accurate information, and it's also going to keep the search engines from getting confused when they're looking for your name, address, and phone number and trying to corroborate that information with what you have on your Google listing. All right, and then the third thing that you need to do is post micro posts in the form of regular articles or regular posts to your Google My Business page, and you're going to have to do that until you start to see a jump in the search engines. So it's a three-ring circus. We're talking reviews, we're talking geotagged photos, we're talking citations, and as a kicker, you have to post every day. That's 4 different things that you have to juggle, plus you have to wait. And then you have to actually get your website developed so it could synergistically push your listing up in this map section while the website itself climbs hand in hand in this organic section over here. And to do that, what it takes to get to one of these top competitors like Wiremaster Electric, for example, is you could download a nifty tool that you could use yourself called SEO Quake. It's a free tool that attaches to the Chrome browser. And as you can see here, it pulls all the stats on your competitors' websites so you can compare it to yours and see that if it makes sense on running a search engine optimization campaign right out the gate. Now, we're not saying SEO is bad, we're just saying there's a right time and right place for everything. And if you're interested in getting close to 254 pages indexed in Google in under 6 months, you're going to need an aggressive budget and an aggressive content marketing strategy, okay? And you're going to need 204 backlinks, okay? Because in SEO, content is king, and if you showed up late to the prom, you're going to need twice as many marketing dollars just to start to break the surface. So again, it's all about rite of passage, and it's all about what works fast now and is going to get you results that is going to allow you to start to invest in these other areas down here and down here. So I hope that this presentation has been nothing shy of educational and informative for you, and stay tuned for our next video where George and I will be discussing how to perform due diligence in your marketplace to determine if running pay-per-click is viable. Thanks for watching.